Good morning! Good morning, babe.
Good morning.
Good morning. Who punched my face? Nasiko niya ako kanina. Sakit. Dito pala. Uy, tight, babe. Morning. I'll get my hair done today, guys. So we will have lunch and then I'll get my hair done. Gusto niyo ipakita ko sa iyo yung gusto ko? They will get the exact color, right? They should be able to get it. Yeah, they will. Punta ako sa ano, yung gumawa ng ano ko. Yung nagkulot ng buhok ko ng wedding ko. Ito yung gusto ko makuha. Pero gusto ko yung color i-ano ko sa taas talaga kasi yung color niya nasa medyo halfway ng buhok niya. Gusto ko ilagay dito sa ano medyo taas na part. And then yeah, I'll get bangs. I'll get bangs. Mapabangs ako, guys. Good luck sa bill. Good luck kung magkano mamaya. Pero okay lang yan. Kasi the last time I had my hair done was I think 4 or 5 years ago, and that was like a long time. As in, sobrang tagal na nun. Nasa call center pa ako nun sa Pilipinas, and then I decided to get it done sa isa sa mga parlor tawag na din, di ba? Sa malapit sa boarding house na pinagstayhan ko nun sa Cebu. So, yun, ang tagal na nun. And after that, ako na talaga lagi yung nagkukuloy-kuloy. Hindi ko kulay-kulay ng buhok ko. Dito na kami sa Chinatown. Chinatown again and again. Hala, star dumplings. I want to eat the... Gusto ko kumain ng dumplings para ano ko sa chili sauce. Chili sauce lang talaga yung gusto ko. Babe? Bili muna kami ng milk tea dito. I want the pearl. Sarap dito, guys. Heater. Hindi naman masyadong malamig, pero malamig konti. Nag-order ako na royal milk tea. Royal pearl milk tea. Kami dalawa na dan. Large. Kasi yung standard is 5.20, tapos yung large 5.70. 5 cents lang. 50 cents. 50 cents. We got chili. Chili lang. In-order ko yung in-order ni Dan last time. Dito kami sa pinuntahan namin last Friday. And pareho yung in-order namin. Sana, sabi niya, nung pagkatapos na sinerve, sabi niya, sana iniba ko yung sa tama nga naman. Oops! My God! Oh, that's good. Nakalimutan ko i-vlog. Dalawa yung in-order namin, kaya lang naubos na ni Dan yung sa kanya. Now, you can eat that one. I have heaps here. Yung kinakain ko yung dumplings lang. Tapos inaano ko sa chili. Sarap na chili, guys. Namimiss ko yung siomai sobra. Parang wala kaming siomai dito eh. Anyway, kain tayo. Yung milk tea. Hala, over? Lapit na matapos sa'yo, babe. Almost finished it.
There it is.
Dito na kami. This is the before. I didn't wash it today because they will wash it. But look at how choco. Oh, nervous. Are you excited?
No.
Poor my. Take it out of it. I need to pee.
They got toilets there, just...
Okay.
Okay. Good luck.
So look at me, and then my hair is really light. I like it though. Winave niya while naghihintay ako kay Dan. So sabi niya, gusto mo i-wave natin habang hinihintay natin si Dan. I look so different.
You do.
Do you like it, babe?
I like it.
Do you? Wow, I have bangs! I can vlog like this now. You guys will miss my 5 head.
Yeah, wow, you can't even tell.
You can't even tell I have a 5 head.
No, it's gone.
It's gone. Dito kami sa Big W, guys. Inano ko yung buhok ko kasi yung pagka-wave, hindi ganun ka ganda kasi biglang dumating si Dan. Hala, nakasale yung shampoo. Hindi ito yung shampoo na gusto namin. Pero naka 50% yung Garnier. Yeah, kasi yung pagkulo, winave lang niya, hindi niya inayos talaga kasi hinihintay nga lang namin si Dan. Tapos biglang dumating si Dan. So yun, hindi natapos. Pero okay lang.
I believe they're around
Maganda naman siya.
8 to 10,000 a year. Yeah.
May kausap si Dan sa phone. Gusto ko sana bumili ng ganito para sa ano ko, bagong bangs. Para kapag dinry ko siya, para magka-volume. Over naman, ang mahal naman ng suklay lang, $10. Ano na? Babe, oh, there's something. That's too small. $5.50. I want to get something like this, babe. For my French, for my no French vibe. Ilang mahal? Ala, ganito yung mga ginagamit nila. Oh, yung sobrang laki talaga. Bakit parang ano siya, matigas na, parang masakit. What's that? Bonnet. Bonnet hairnet? Para sa bun siguro. Ito naman ang mahal. $7.95. Maliit. Mahal yung Big W. Mas mura sa ano, Kmart. What? Are we getting that? Or that's too small? Hala, that's expensive. Gusto ko sana ito, oh. Ito, chopping board na wood. Kasi yung sa amin plastic. And ano siya, nagtatanggalan na yung plastic. Tapos parang nasusama sa pagkain minsan. Lalo na kapag hindi mo napansin. Sabi ko wood. Sige na, $30. Ang mahal naman. Over naman, wait. Let's get something from Kmart. Let's get it for like, $10 lang, guys. Why are you smiling?
Just a chopping board.
Dito kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan. Yung vlog ko sa Dan. He's cooking squid. What do you have in there?
Pepper.
Plenty chips.
Yeah, that looks good. Squid.
Ooh.
And then you put the squid in there?
Yeah.
What you do?
You want squid, Maddie? You want squid, Hugo? Uncle Danny will cook it.
Ready?
Ooh, good timing.
That looks good.
Good thinking, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Little mini rolls.
So you don't set timer, you just...
I just guessed it.
I just messed up.
3 to 4 minutes, which is about right.
No, but I will forget it.
I'm almost did it. You
I nearly missed it. Good luck in you.
don't think you shake?
Shake, shake, shake. Should be good.
Yeah, it's looks like it's all stuck.
What do you mean stuck?
I mean, yeah, but
No, that's good. So you just fry it?
yeah. I'm not sure how this pan's gonna. Yeah. Yeah, we shaking it right here.
That looks so different. Gusto ko yung kulay niya. Having coffee. Yung binigay ni Kat. Binigay namin sa mama. It's a camera. Oh! Did you see?
Ooh. Ooh, he's on TV. There he is. There he is. You're on TV, Hugo. You're on TV.
We're home. I think I'm gonna watch few YouTube videos. I put one load, yung last load sa laundry, and yun na yun. Nandun na lahat ng towels. Kasi usually we do it on Friday, kaya lang Friday, tagal namin umuwi dito kasi nag-family dinner kami tapos nag-stay kami doon ng matagal. Kagabi, 2 loads lang yung ano namin. Actually, isa lang. Tapos kaninang umaga, isa din before kami umalis. And then, tinapos ko siya. Yung medyas ko, guys, nabubutas dahil sa ano ko, kuko ko. Look at that. Nakakaloka. Yung kuko ko pa, natanggal na yung ano, nail polish kasi na ano sa sapatos. Tapos yung isa din. Over naman. Uy, dahil sa kuko yan. Ano? Aksaya ng medyas. Nakakainis. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko kanina. Akala ko cramps lang. Kasi malapit na yung ano ko. Pero ano pala, di pala siya cramps. Pangit pala siya. Over. Siguro dahil sa dinner namin. Kung ano na kinain ko, we had salt and pepper squid. And then, fries. Tapos, nag-burger pa kami. Gumawa yung mama niya ng burger homemade. It was really good. And then, ano pa? Yun lang. Tapos, lunch, I had noodles na may, siguro yung chili. Sobrang daming chili. Kinain ko, grabe. Yung chili oil. Sarap kasi nun. And tapos, ngayon, kakain ako ng Vicat, tsaka beer. May beer ako dito. Gusto ko kasi na sobrang lamig. Kapag gusto ko yung sobrang lamig talaga beer. Pero hindi ko naman siya nauubos. Yun. So yeah, manonood lang ako ng videos. And yung kulay ng buhok ko, makikita natin bukas. Sana hindi ko na lang siya pina-wave sa kanya. Kasi aksaya lang ng oras niya. Tapos, bukas mag-film ako ng video. Tapos bukas din kukunin namin yung... What are we getting tomorrow? Marriage certificate?
Sorry?
We will get the marriage certificate tomorrow? Or what are we getting?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Kukunin namin. May kukunin kami sa celebrant namin. Hindi namin alam. Kasi yung marriage certificate, kailangan namin siyang i-request online. And we did that few nights ago. Tapos, meron kami kukunin from the celebrant na hindi namin alam kung ano. I'm pretty sure hindi siya marriage certificate kasi nga inano naman sa online marriage certificate. Anyway, I will close the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget. Not tomorrow. I hope to see you guys soon. Do not forget.